Hello everyone, my name is Anuj. I want to share with you a strategy for ISCA, that how you should prepare. I got 75 marks in ISCA, and I think ISCA is the most easiest subject in the second group. It is tough to score exemption, DT and costing, and I think ISCA is the easiest one to score exemption after IDT. So I will share with you my preparation strategy, that how did I prepare. See, you can go on Google and search about the Amit Tated notes, Amit Tated sir notes. You may find it on Google, and just download the PDF. It is near about 250 pages PDF. Download it and get printed by your nearby stationery, and you can also use Amit Tated sir's revision classes. Revision classes you will find on YouTube. I think that's enough for ISCA. You prepare thoroughly from his notes. Please don't read module. The reason is very simple, because you don't remember so much in exam, and you cannot write this much. You have to write, the important things, the highlights, and I think the notes cover everything which you need to know about ISCA. If you find doubtful, what happened if I read these notes, I will not get marks. No, it's not like that. Even if you want to confirm, you can confirm the points by, keeping modules nearby you and just matching it with it. But you don't need to do that. You can safely refer the notes of Amit Tated and practice manual, just to see that the question which is there in practice manual, the answers are there in the, that you are writing the right answer. Sometimes what happens, that we know the answers but we do not know the question. Just to see the questions in practice manual, you can refer that. Otherwise, if you are confident that if you are confident about that, yes, I will be comfortable in the exam, even if I do not read practice manual, that's your choice. So that's my ISCA strategy, and read thoroughly. And there is no need to study so much ISCA. You can give just half an hour to 1 hour in a day. Now you have 2 months, so at least if you have one group remaining, give 1 hour daily to ISCA. And in the exam time, I got 2 days, but if you have even 1 day, I covered ISCA 2 times, but if you have 1 day, you can easily cover it for once. And for MCQ, I referred Unacademy Rajat sir's classes, even that also on the last days. So you can refer that for MCQs. I think that's enough for ISCA. You don't have to do much, and I scored 75. You can also do it easy.